Omukoro ogwo kuhinguza abaherize okutendekwa gwahikwaho abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe abari mu Minister w'ihanga uri kujananizibwa by'obushubuzi General Wilson Mbadi, Minister w'ihanga uri kujananizibwa ebya karimagezi Godfrey Kabyanga, RDC hamwe n'abandi bakuru. Aha mukoro ogwo General Mbadi yahiga abatendekirwe okureba ngo bakore emirimo yabo n'obujunanizibwa kandi betantare okugaye emirimo eyibara abahereze kukora ari kugira ngo barakore bakabecha kureberaho ikintu kibaza kuja kubigurira enyigi no kubabere cyo mugisha kubaza kutaha ombu polisi.
So bukira ukukora butsirugaye mubi hati simu wala fisi yakabati hatinywe tukabibe tunamukane hali ndigo hatia ese station zishawasi yeye mwabitu mwigina haina hai sino sweet atinga bora mu bantu bazira abantu n'utsikira kuba abakiri bantu babisande
Uguyabahabura ukureba ngo bakora umurimo bakoze mico mirungi kandi babase kora kurungi ombwire obwa Akaruru.
You keep that discipline. Keep the discipline so that Akaruru mangasa kalendandeke kangasa kumwa buhoro. Narabakisa baberango yo mesinga.
And we have decided as we go here that any other person who will take us that route, we shall see what to do with them. So enough is enough.
Ori community liaison officer owa Kasese Kamsime Thomas yahiga government okoyongera kubahereza obushagici n'obukirabe ngo abo babiri ni batendeka baherize.
Others can be either CBOs, they can form circles, they start saving, that in case the government is to stand with them, they find them when they are already together, when they have served something.
Makuru agarikwenda kushana nago abantu bari karushanjana na munana nibo bahamirwa bari kubura yenshi minche okutera Akaruru aho kugira ngo babase kureba ngo bakore imirimo yabo no bujunanizibwa bari kugira ngo omuntu nomwe orakwatwe ari kora omushango aine ebikwato bibyo kwerinda na eja kujunanwa nko muntu
ekyora no kora cyona yaba ojuire uniform ya polisi yaba togijuire oyijuke ngo okoyona ho kutamburira nabakumanya ngo meza ashatwaga uriyo nokora n'ekitongore cya polisi.
The chief instructor said he took you through a lot of modules, a lot of course units, and those course units are meant to guide you because it has been a theory. We are now going to begin doing practicals.
ASP Anatorius Kawa oyebembiro kutendeka abahamibwa yashobora bimwe ahabibatendekire no bamwe ombatendekirwe bahamyaho misho gabantu ngo nibisha kureba ngo babita omunkora.
Guidelines for polling constables during elections. Statement recording, understanding human rights during elections, use of police equipment, simulation of polling station.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Isa Kamate ahamwe na Gerard Tugume ahabwa Tayari West.